Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a fascinating cultural nuance about prayer among the Kazakhs. You see, in Kazakh culture, there's a unique approach to supplication. Unlike many who worry about whether their prayers please God, the Kazakh treats prayer a bit differently. For them, prayer is almost like a transaction with a merchant. Imagine saying this to the divine: "That's all I have. Take it if you will, but if you will not, don't ask me to get livestock out of nowhere." It's a straightforward and unembellished way to communicate with the divine. They don't stress over the perfection or purity of their faith. It's more about the act itself. The Kazakh might think, well, that's all I know. I can't get any wiser at my age. Practical and humble, they believe it's enough if people cannot reproach them for not praying. The quality of speech? They believe it doesn't matter in the least. But here's the intriguing part. Is their tongue truly different from others? Or is it just their cultural lens shaping this unique approach? It's a beautiful reminder of how diverse human spirituality can be. So next time you think about prayer, remember the Kazakh way: simple, unpretentious, and deeply human. Thanks for tuning in to this cultural insight. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating explorations. @Kazakh Review